Shalom, assalamu alaikum, good morning. I just woke up just a little while ago, and look, we're waking up to snowfall. The snow is falling. Oh yes, look at that. I told everybody, nobody wants to listen to me, but I filmed it and showed everybody. I told everybody it was going to be hot and then warm, hot, then, or cold, hot, cold, hot, cold, and then towards the end of January and the beginning of February you're going to have major snow again. Walls of it, this time walls of it. Now this is the time when you're going to have walls of snow all around in America. You will watch this, and then it will get hot again, and then, all right, you'll see. And this is the wobble, everyone. This is not global warming bullshit. This is the Earth's wobble. So like, let's say the sun is right here where my head is. Let's say my head's the sun. Here's the Earth's wobble. Sometimes the wobble gets close, sometimes the wobble's down here, sometimes the wobble's way up here. It depends on where the wobble is going to be hitting on the sun. Depends upon whether it's going to be hot or cold. So you see, everyone, global warming's a lie. They're trying to force technology on you. They're trying to force all this bullshit. There's the snowplow. Snowplow man is already on the street, plowing up the streets. Cleaning it up. Oh, man, it's coming down hard, guys. It's not letting up either. I will post later again. Show you if the storm has gotten up higher. You know what we will do? Let's go and put a stick in the backyard. Right? This. We'll take this box here. This box right here. And we will set it down here. And we will mark where the box was at on the snow. I'll have to get an ink pen. Pencil here. Here. Tell me you not do that. Come on, don't lie to me. maybe make some snow ice cream. I got some vanilla. It's like a... Alright, we'll make another video, or we'll just pause this one and I'll make a add to this one. That's right, I'll add to this one and add maybe some music. Here we have the fire department leaving. They're driving up out of here. There they go. Oh, it's going in the snow. Be careful. Alright, shalom. Let's go back out here. Take a look at where the box is at on the snow. Oh, look at that. Remember where it was at? We'll make it come down even. It passed the green. See, we were waiting for it. It was only right there. That's where it was at, right there, right? Now it's this. Look at the big wall. It's becoming a big wall of snow. I told you guys, I have no reason to lie to you. Even when I tell you who I am. Why the fuck would I lie about who I am, man? Come on, people. Don't be so naive and dumb. You listen to movie stars and actors and all these foul individual people. But when I tell you I am a Mahdi, you'll say, no, he's not. No, he's not. Oh, you lied to us. You're a whiny baby. Shut your mouth. Yes, I am. Deal with it, man. Deal with it. Get your panties in a wad. Oh, I can't. He likes Jesus too much. Whiny baby. So, it is a lot of snow, isn't it? They say on the news, it's going to stop, it's going to stop. It has not stopped yet. It will stop when I say it will stop. Fact. Shalom. Assalamu alaikum.